In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get trade lines on Tradovate. By the end, you'll see exactly how to make your entries, exits, and P&L appear right on your chart, connected by clean visual lines so you can review your trades at a glance. Trade lines are those markers and connectors that show where you bought, where you sold, and how that trade performed. On Tradovate, you can display these in two simple ways: by turning on Show Fills in the chart settings, or by enabling Trade Mode. Both approaches put your trade history directly on the chart, so choose the one that fits your workflow. Let's start with Show Fills. Open the chart of the instrument you traded and look for the gear icon on the chart's toolbar. That's the chart settings. In that menu, I find the section that controls Trade Display. This is typically labeled for trades or fills, and turn on Show Fills. As soon as it's enabled, your executed orders will appear on the chart, and Tradovate will draw connecting lines between the entry and exit points, along with the P and L for that completed trade. If you don't immediately see lines, make sure you're viewing the time frame that includes the trades you took and that you're on the correct account and instrument. Only executed fills will display here. Pending or canceled orders won't create a trade line. If the chart looks stale, a quick refresh can help. Now, let's look at Trade Mode. Again, use the gear icon on the chart toolbar and enable Trade Mode. This turns your chart into an active trading surface and, importantly for our purpose, it displays your working orders and executed fills directly on the chart, connecting buys and sells with trade lines. You'll also see buy and sell controls for one-click trading. Because Trade Mode is live and interactive, be mindful of accidental clicks. If you're just exploring visuals, it's a good idea to be on your simulated account before you experiment. In Trade Mode, executed trades will show the same connected lines and P and L markers, and hovering the markers typically reveals additional details about the fill. To recap, if you simply want to review completed trades, Show Fills is quick and clean. If you want a more active, visual trading experience with your orders and fills displayed as you trade, enable Trade Mode. Either way, you'll get the connected buy and sell lines and the P and L readout right on your chart. That's it. Enable Show Fills for a straightforward history view, or turn on Trade Mode for a live visual trading environment with the same trade lines built in.